Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve unable to right click on the desktop on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's fix that guys, so super fast. Go to your task manager over here, taskbar, right click on it and go to task manager, and after that you need to find here Windows Explorer. Scroll down, it will be down. Windows Explorer, right click on it and you need to select restart. After restarting, I hopefully the problem get resolved guys. If not, I will show you the next method guys, where the process is still running. After doing this, if you got not get resolved, try this as well guys. Go to group policy, group policy editor, open it, and in here you need to go to user configuration, administrative templates. You need to expand it and you need to go to Windows compound, expand it, and you need to search for File Explorer. I get this by clicking File Explorer and you need to double click on it. File Explorer, on right side you need to search for remove File Explorer default context, remove file menu, remove File Explorer's default context menu, double click on it and you need to select this to not configured. If this is are enabled or disabled, you need to select not configured and apply it and okay. Close out of here and go and restart your PC guys. After restarting, if you not get resolved, let's go to that method guys. Go to register editor, run as administrator, click yes. Now here you need to go to HKey current user software, expand it and go to Microsoft, expand it and go to Windows, search for it Windows and Windows, expand it. In Windows you need to go to current version, you need to go to policies, double click on it and right side click on it and new key, you need to name it as Explorer, capital EXPLORER, press enter. After double click on Explorer, on right side you need to go to right click and new devote 32 value. This value name you need to change no n caps, no n o small, v caps letter, v e w view, c capital CONTEXT and MENU, press enter. No context menu, double click on it and you need to select the value data to 0 and okay. After doing this, go back guys, go ahead and restart your PC. This will definitely work for you guys. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful. Thank you.